Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am using this kit from Glam Planner. This is her October mystery kit of 2019. She did do kind of like a mini re-release of this a few weeks back. I think she just had found some like extras like kits, and so she did put those up on her shop. I don't think they are on her shop any longer, but she may do like a reformat next year. But this was like a Black Friday type of kit. I did want to use this kit this year, even though this is like the week before Black Friday. I just really liked it, and I did do a bit of shopping this week. I forgot to mark it on there, like my big shopping day, which is kind of sad, but I don't know, I'll talk about it like once we get there, but it's not marked in my planner. I did use these bougie boxes from, where are these from? Rose Colored Days. And then I used a lot of the foil overlays from the actual kit. Since it was a mystery kit, we did get some foil and then just some extra overlays I had from Caress Press. And then I did want to use that big box, so I did kind of like put it in the sidebar. I've seen Emily from Emily Catherine Plans do this a bit, and it's like a perfect way of like kind of incorporating this ginormous box into the spread. I have been using my like my double box extenders, but it really didn't fit where I wanted it to, so I just went ahead and put it in the sidebar. And I did put down my bottom washi prior to me filming just because I really wanted to get it down. And yeah, so I really love the way this turned out. I'm going to go ahead and get started with Monday, which was actually my big shopping day. This was our employee shop day. So every holiday season, we get to do like an exclusive like shopping time, and we get a quite a large discount, which is so nice. And we get to buy for like other people, because usually with our discount, it is only for clothes like for us. We're not allowed to use it for other people. So I did do my holiday shopping this day and took advantage of that large discount, but I didn't mark it in here. So the first thing I did mark though is that I did sleep in. This was the first day back at home. Yes. So I used a sleep in script from SPC. I think we got home a bit later than we did last time. I want to say we got home at 2 or 3 back to my dad's house, so I was pretty tired, and we did stay up a bit talking. And then I did wake up, and then I just washed my hair because I felt gross from traveling all day the day before. I used a fox and cactus squirrel to mark that, and the wash hair script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations. I also had some me time and just shaved because I needed to shave my legs so bad. um, I did use a razor from Once More with Love, and then overall this day it was a pretty good day. I think I had to work, and it was just a really great day at work, so I used a Good Day Munchkin from Once More with Love. And then I also I think this day I was on live chat with doTERRA. There was just a lot of stuff going on with my shipment that I'm kind of upset about. So I used a Fox and Pip computer to mark that. And then I also had tacos for dinner, or maybe it was tostadas. I think we had tostadas. I think that's what my dad made for dinner. And then to end my night, I did play The Sims. I used a Coffee Monsters Co emoji to mark that, and the Place Sims script is it's not a custom. It was on Delilah's shop Sticky Essentials way back when, like a few years ago. And then to end the day, I marked that my dad put up the lights. I'm pretty sure he put up the lights this day. I can't remember now. I don't know how accurate that is, but I know sometime this week he did put up the Christmas lights on the house. Moving on to Tuesday, started the day with a day off. I had that Tuesday off, and it was a super rainy day this day. I love rainy days, but we haven't had any really here in Arizona. But I know right now at home they're having like a lot of rain, so I'm really excited to go home. I used an emoji to mark that, and a rainy day script from Station Stickers. And then I also did a Target run this day. I can't remember. Oh, I think me and my dad went together. We needed to get a couple things. So Target run script is from Letters to Apollo, and I used a Fox and Pip girl to mark that. And then I also edited a haul this day. The edit hall script is from Letters to Apollo, and then I FaceTime Dean. The phone is from, I think it's from My Newest Addiction, and then the FaceTime script is from Right Brain Paper Co. And then, since it was like a super rainy day and I had a day off, I went ahead and caught up on some of my shows. So I did watch Bones for a bit, Grey's Anatomy, and The Bachelorette. I love that I have scripts for all of those, and those are all from Letters to Apollo. And then to end my day off, I did play The Sims, and then the Play Sim script is from Right Brain Paper Co., and the icon is from SPC. Moving on into Wednesday, first thing I'm marking is that I slept in again. The sleep in script is from Paper and Milk, and then I also had a super busy day this day at work. I used a Fox and Pip Girl to mark that, and the busy day script is from a Right Brain Paper Co. I also started my period this day, so I used a cloud to mark that. And then I also went to Whole Foods to do a bit. What did I go to Whole Foods for? Oh, I was bringing dessert over, so everything's kind of marked out of order, I think. No, everything's not. So I did go pick up some dessert because we were going to have a bachelorette night this day, or this night. To watch like the week before, I think, or maybe it was like the day before. I can't remember. But I did go to Gabby's, and then I went to Whole Foods to go pick up some dessert. I think I've said that like 3 times now. And then we also had a pizza night. We had some pizza, and the pizza night script is from Adorably Amy Designs. And then we also had some wine, which was really good. The wine time script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the wine doodle is from Once More with Love. And then I used this ginormous Fox and Pip Girl to mark that we watched The Bachelorette. I can't even remember what episode we watched. I think it may have been like the night before's episode. And then the Bachelorette script, I think, is a custom from Kinsey's Creations. And then I also published my haul this day. The published script is from Ice Cream Joe. And then I also went to go see Dean after hanging out with Gabby for a bit. And so I used a Munchkin couple to mark that. And then I was just also in my feelings this day. I can't remember why I was in my feelings, but I guess I was. And I used a Fox and Cactus Girl, like face palm to the ground, and then an In My Feelings script from SPC. And then to end my night, I was super exhausted. I just remember I was like ready to go home after seeing after being at Gabby's house. And so I used a Tired AF script from Letters to Apollo and a Whimsical Cat Studio Girl to mark that. Moving on into Thursday. So Thursday again, I slept in. The sleep in script is from Letters to Apollo, and then I also had my morning coffee. This coffee icon is from Planning World, and the morning coffee script is from Kinsey's Creations. I also had to make a call today, or that day. I don't remember who I was calling or what I had to call. I don't remember what this was for. But apparently I made a call. I think I made a call to my bank, now that I think about it. I think that's what that was for. But the call script is from SBC along with the phone. And then I was super stressed this day. I think it was most likely about work. It's just been super busy with the holidays. So I used a stressed script from Station Stickers. And then you guys can use my code Erica. I think it's just my name. So yeah, just Erica to save on your purchase. And then I also had really bad cramps this day. I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark that. And then I went to bed super early this day, like right after I got off work at 9 o'clock. I just went straight to bed. Moving on into Friday, I used a hashtag team no sleep. I did not sleep well this night whatsoever. So I was so tired. I used a pumpkin paper girl to mark that, and then the team no sleep script is from Letters to Apollo. And then once again, I was on a live chat with doTERRA about my shipment. They ended up shipping it extremely late, and so I didn't get my oils. I was having them shipped to my dad's house because I knew I was going to be there like during the estimated time of arrival, which in like a week after that estimated time of arrival or delivery, and I still didn't get them in time. So I was so mad and I couldn't change the address, and I was just getting angry, but I also knew that it wasn't the person I was talking to's fault because that's literally what I do at my job. So I knew not to like get mad at the person I was talking to, but in the end, my oils were delivered. I still don't have them. I'm looking forward to going back home to go get my oils. But yeah, I was pretty upset with that. And then on that day, I also got some Happy Mail. I got my new planner from Sticker Guru, which you guys will see on Friday when I post my haul and all the other like goodies that I got. And then it was also a super busy day at work, which is crazy to think about that I marked these days as being super busy because now, like this week and last week, were like twice as busy as what these days were. It is so crazy. And then I also painted my nails this day. The paint nail script is from Letters to Apollo, and then that nail polish sticker is from GP Studio. And then I also had a really late night. I just could not sleep. So the late night script is from Once More with Love. Or no, the late night script is from Kizzy's Creations, and I used a Once More with Love munchkin to mark that. Moving on into Saturday, I need to get pajama day scripts, like custom scripts, because I just had a pajama day. It really wasn't a lazy day. I worked my full 8-hour shift in my pajamas, which is really nice. I like doing that on weekends now. And then I had some iced coffee, and I had some me time once I got off work. And then to end my night on Saturday, we had some ramen, or my dad and Emily had ramen, I think, and I just got like teriyaki chicken, but I wanted to mark that they did go to a ramen place to go pick it up. And then I was just super exhausted and so ready for bed. Moving on into Sunday, I had another pajama day. I did have to work, so I just worked in my pajamas. And then I also had to wake up quite early. I worked at 6 a.m. that day. So I used a wake up early script from Kinsey's Creations. And then after work, I did get ready because I was having a girls' night. I did use a girls' night out script from Letters to Apollo. We didn't really go out other than go grab pizza, but I don't have like girls' night scripts, so I decided to use the girls' night out. I did hang out with Jordan and Angelica, my other two best friends, and then we went to Old Town Pizza to go pick up some pizza and went back to her house to go eat it. And then this day, just a lot of drama happened. I'm not gonna get into it, but I was pretty pissed off. And then, so I used a Glam Planner girl to mark that I was mad AF, and it was just literally out of my hands. I couldn't do anything about it. And then I was super tired. I think I stayed at their house past like midnight, and I was just like so ready for bed from working all day. But that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I really do. This is like one of my top spreads I've done this year. If you guys have any questions about anything, don't forget to ask them down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video if you guys enjoyed it. And then, what else? Oh, you guys can follow me on Instagram as well. I will have it linked down below along with all my PR codes, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.